is the largest shredder in the world, and this Lamborghini's gonna fall in it.
We're also nuking an entire life-size village, shooting real tanks at a literal Lamborghini, and crushing this store with the world's largest dominoes.
This is the first of many experiments. You're gonna love this video. You ready?
Ready!
This is gonna be crazy. All right, they're falling. They're falling.
Come on.
All right, it's working. It's actually working.
Are we gonna have to run?
Oh,
You hear the thud?
oh, it's going. All right, that was the tallest domino in the world. That was the new tallest domino in the world.
Go! Down goes the domino!
Oh my God!
That was insane.
Oh, that was
We were way too close. This isn't even the coolest thing we're doing in this video.
We're detonating the biggest explosion in YouTube history, launching a roller coaster off its track.
And so much more. Let's go to the next experiment.
We've got a lot of experiments